Accused of shooting at a Hickory Hill man, then stealing his car. But this crime has a catch. The crime came to a screeching halt because the owner of the vehicle had an anti-theft system installed in his car. Thank you for joining us. I'm Joe Burke.
And I'm Joy Redmond. Action News 5's Stephanie Douglas joins us live with a recommendation from Memphis police to help prevent this kind of theft. Stephanie.
Well, Joe and Joy, the car owner had a kill switch, an anti-theft device that can be installed on the steering column, your windshield wiper, or any place inside the car to prevent it from being driven. This is the Hyundai returned back to its owners Thursday after Memphis police says a group of thieves broke in and drove off at 4 in the morning from the Enclave's apartments in Hickory Hill. A neighbor's Ring doorbell camera captured the crime. That same neighbor called 911 after hearing screams and gunshots.
No, porque la cámara del timbre solo capta a 360 acá arriba, no, y eso ocurrió de aquel lado. Pero esta es la segunda vez que al vecino intentan robarle un auto.
According to the police report, the victim told officers the thieves couldn't go far because of the kill switch. Memphis police found the car less than a minute away. A local car insurance broker says there are benefits to protecting your car with anti-theft programming.
Companies right now, they give you discounts for having such type of equipment on your car.
Last month, MPD's Crime Summer reported 1,078 Hyundais were stolen. Number one, Nissans at 1,785. To help secure your car, MPD recommends vehicle owners take additional measures. In a statement, they said, quote, invest in aftermarket anti-theft devices, such as steering wheel locks, a kill switch, or an upgraded alarm system. Consider investing in a tracker, an AirTag of a tile to ensure your vehicle can be located promptly if stolen, end quote. Well, Joe and Joy, no arrests have been made in this case, but if you guys know any information about those suspects, contact Crime Stoppers at 528-CASH. Reporting live, I'm Stephanie Douglas, Action News 5.